Greetings from Hill City, South Dakota, friends. Today's Explore Adventure is to ride the 1880 train from this small town, 10 miles through the Black Hills National Forest to the town of Keystone, just below Mount Rushmore. Upon our arrival, we plan to walk across the street from the train depot to Professor Samuel's old-time photo studio and dress up in old Western clothing for a photo session. Then we'll grab some lunch and visit a fudge shop before boarding the train for the leisurely journey back to Hill City. It should be a great day. Thank you for joining us.
Travel time was reduced to only about an hour. In its time, the form of transportation you are about to experience was breathtakingly fast. By today's standards, the 10-mile-per-hour pace of the train is considered quite slow. However, the 1880 train embraces the philosophy of slow travel. It's all about immersing yourself in your experience and making each moment count more. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride aboard the 1880 train. With us, you don't need to worry about anything else. Let us do the driving while you enjoy the fresh air, forest views, and time with your family and friends. The Black Hills covers more than 2 million acres, an area roughly the size of Delaware. Half of that is the Black Hills National Forest. The railroad from Hill City to Keystone served in excess of 60 mining claims, either along the route or in the Keystone area. Some were placer and some were hard rock. Much of the private land you see along the tracks or elsewhere within the Black Hills National Forest was once a mining claim, which became personal property due to the Homestead Act. Metals have been mined near Hill City since then, including silver, tin, and lithium. Mining was eventually replaced by the timber and tourism industries, which employ many of the town's residents. Make sure you take time to walk the streets of this charming little Black Hills town. You will also want to be sure to visit our Hill City Depot, where there are snacks, train memorabilia, and items to commemorate your ride on the 1880 train. If you are hungry, the Highlighter Eatery offers meal options, snacks, and coffee Memorial Day through Labor Day. If you are spending some time in Hill City, make sure to visit the South Dakota State Railroad Museum, located right next to the Hill City Depot. Adults receive $2 off your admission when you present your 1880 train ticket. Children 10 and under are free.
As I mentioned earlier, when we got to Keystone, we walked across the street to Professor Porter's old-time portraits and had our pictures taken. It was really fun to dress up in the ways of the Old West, and we strongly recommend it. It was great fun for families too.